In today's video, I am going to teach you how to download and install Adobe Flash Player in Google Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Next, go to the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by clicking into the address bar at the top of Chrome and searching for Chrome Web Store. When the search results appear, select the official Chrome Web Store result. Once the Chrome Web Store opens, you will see a search box on the page. Click inside the search box and search for a Flash emulator. For example, you can search for terms like Flash Player for the web or Flash Player that works. You can review the extension name, rating, number of users, and description before installing it. When you find the Flash emulator you want to use, click on it to open its extension page. Now click the Add to Chrome button. This button is usually located near the top right area of the extension page. After you click it, Chrome will show a confirmation prompt. If you are comfortable with the permissions shown, confirm the prompt to add the extension to Chrome. Chrome will then download and install the Flash emulator automatically. Once the installation is complete, Chrome may show a message confirming that the extension has been added successfully. At this point, the Flash emulator is installed in Google Chrome. The extension is now part of your browser and may help you access Flash-based content that is supported by that emulator. Keep in mind that results can vary depending on the website, the type of Flash content, and the specific extension you chose from the Chrome Web Store. That covers everything you need to know.